इस वक्त हम आपको बता दें सीबीएसई पेपर लीक को लेकर शिक्षा मंत्रालय की अहम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस हो रही है। सीधे रुक करेंगे इस प्रेस वार्ता का।
Announce a date for examination and considering its importance, considering its necessity, this date of 25th of April has been announced for class 12 leak paper. So this is in brief what I had to tell you. Examination for class 12. This is for economics is on 25th of April. For class 10 maths, the examination will take place if it is found that the leaks have been in Delhi and Haryana, and the decision will be only for Delhi and Haryana. For rest of the states, no re-examination will happen. So that's what I had to announce today. May I suggest I will not go till I have answered all your questions. So just a minute. So maybe request you to raise your hands. I'll identify and then we'll take every. I will not leave till I have answered all your questions. So I'm here. Yes, lady at the end. Lady at, yes, ma'am.
So I have a question to Anita Karwal. Ma'am, do you take responsibility for this leak? Because the sources are telling us that CBSE is shrugging off the responsibility and the origin of leak you are suspecting to be some of the superintendent. So does CBSE take the responsibility of the leak? Because you are the sole custodian of the
let me try and explain this to you. Right in the beginning I had said,
Sir, can Anita
just hold on, just because I am sitting as secretary here,
right.
So let me attempt to answer your question. If you are not satisfied, maybe I'll request her to do that. Okay, you give me that right. There are two levels in which inquiries are happening. One is the police inquiry happening. The other is the departmental inquiry. Now people have been asking me even otherwise that what is wrong. Now until you get to know what is wrong and why it is wrong, you can't give a prescription. You can give a prescription only if you have a diagnosis, and we are doing that. At the police level, a criminal inquiry is happening. At the departmental level, we are trying to understand a process that was doing so very well for years. What went wrong this year? Now, I must confess to you, at this point in time, I can't say what exactly went wrong. We are trying to find out. We shall certainly look into the entire process and see whether corrections have to be done. The immediate problem was the problem of the children. That is why what I have come to tell you is in the context of examination, but this does not preclude going into the details of what and why it went wrong and taking the corrective measures. If it's an extremely serious matter, that's why I'm sitting here. So, considering the seriousness of the matter, we are looking, once the final inquiry comes to us, certainly action shall be taken away, whoever is responsible for it. But to prematurely come to a conclusion that so and so is responsible, I don't think that's the right way of going about it. Please hold on. No, my request to you is, if you don't follow that logic, we can't continue with this. I have told you that I'll be here till I answer all your questions. Please bear with me. I can't even run out now. So my request, please hold on. Please raise your hands. I'll go one by one. I'll answer each of your questions. Yes, sir. Just hold on. No, sorry. Next, the one next to the lady.
सवाल ये है कि आप खुद ही कह रहे हैं कि प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है आपको नहीं पता चल पा रही है, तो 12वीं की जो परीक्षा आगे होने वाली है, आप कैसे इंश्योर कर सकते हैं कि वो पेपर लीक नहीं होगा? और एक दूसरा सवाल उसी में कि जब आप सोशल मीडिया के टाइम में इतना पेनिट्रेशन है, आप कैसे कह रहे हैं कि हरियाणा और दिल्ली में वो पेपर लीक हुआ?
देखिए, मैं आपके दूसरे प्रश्न का उत्तर पहले देता हूं। मैंने शुरू में कहा कि दे कांट बी अ परफेक्ट सोल्यूशन. वी हैव टू टेक अ डिसीजन इन टर्म्स ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द चिल्ड्रन हु हैव बीन अननेसेसरली पुट टू दिस ग्रीफ. It is in that context and the limited information that we had to take a decision. What is the alternative? We wait for another month and then decide about it. So this information may not be perfect information, but we have substantial information for us to come to a conclusion which may not be perfect. But in the interest of children, it was necessary for us to take a decision, and we've taken that decision. So that is the answer. Yes, sir. We'll go one by one. May I request all of you again. I am here till I have answered all your questions. It will be better if we take the questions one on one. I'll take every question. Yes, sir.
How you sure कि आगे ना होगा? सर वो
मान्यवर एक yes, sir.
इस वक्त की सबसे बड़ी खबर हम आपको दे दें, सीबीएसई पेपर लीक मामले में 12वीं का इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर अब 25 अप्रैल को होगा। और जहां तक 10वीं के गणित के परीक्षा का सवाल है, सरकार ये कह रही है कि सिर्फ दिल्ली और हरियाणा में, जो जानकारी मिली है, सिर्फ दिल्ली और हरियाणा में पेपर लीक हुआ है। पूरी जांच करने के बाद दिल्ली हरियाणा में 10वीं के गणित के पेपर की तारीख सामने की जाए। एबीपी न्यूज पर इस वक्त की बड़ी खबर आपको दे दें। शिक्षा मंत्रालय ने इस बात का ऐलान किया है कि 10वीं की गणित की बोर्ड की परीक्षा फिलहाल नहीं होगी। फिलहाल 10वीं की गणित की परीक्षा दोबारा नहीं होगी। अगर परीक्षा दोबारा करानी पड़ी तो वो जुलाई में होगी, और तब भी जो जानकारी है, दिल्ली हरियाणा में 10वीं का गणित का पेपर लीक हुआ है, तो जरूरत पड़ी तो सिर्फ दिल्ली और हरियाणा में दोबारा परीक्षा होगी, पूरे देश में नहीं। और ऐसे ही 12वीं का इकोनॉमिक्स का पेपर 25 अप्रैल को। एक बार फिर से रुक करेंगे इस प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का।
You had stopped all examination. We've had to have this re-examination in any case for every child. So for us, the ultimate objective is the child. He should not be harassed. It is most unfortunate and regretful that children have been made to suffer on account of someone playing a dirty trick. We will sort that out. But at this point in time, our objective is to see that he is not put to pain. So irrespective of whether, madam, that you were asking, whether it was full or half, substantial number of questions when it came, it was similar. When it was similar. And that is why a decision was taken by Chairman CBSE. Now in hindsight, all of us can have a lot of wisdom and say why this was done, why not this was done. If I were in a place, I would also cancel the paper because that's how it is. But in detailed examination when we did it, subsequently, we discovered at the balance of it, as I said, there are no perfect decisions. On the balance of it, putting the children to inconvenience because some stupid fellow had played a dirty trick was most unfortunate. Why should we do that? And hence, as I keep saying, it may not be a perfect decision. The decision has been to see that we have re-examination only in places where we have the preliminary information. There we'll examine it and see even there if it is required or not, providing relief to the children that deserve that relief. It is in most of the states. I have spoken to a number of secretaries personally. Most of them say, "Sir, यहाँ तो पता ही नहीं था. आप ये डिसीजन क्यों ले रहे हैं कि सब जगह का? आप थोड़ा और जानकारी कीजिए. You must all be thinking that we are doing nothing." No, we were following it up, and without some groundwork, it would have been wrong of me to come before you and make an announcement like this. We've done reasonable. I can't say, given the paucity of time, given the fact that yesterday was a holiday, it was difficult to reach out to people, but we tried our best to reach out and find a best possible answer to a problem that is before us. So please bear with us.
शिक्षा मंत्रालय की बेहद अहम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस, और आपके लिए बड़ी जानकारी ये कि 10वीं की बोर्ड की गणित की परीक्षा फिलहाल दोबारा नहीं होगी। जरूरत पड़ी तो जुलाई में परीक्षा हो सकती है, और वो भी सिर्फ दिल्ली और हरियाणा के सेंटर्स के लिए होगी। और ऐसे ही 12वीं की इकोनॉमिक्स की परीक्षा 25 अप्रैल को होगी।
मैं पुण्य प्रसून वाजपेयी आ रहा हूं एबीपी न्यूज पर।
ये है एबीपी न्यूज, आपको रखे आगे।